Yo, what's up? It's your boy Swizzy. How we doing, Vovin Nation? We back, video number 3 on fitness, okay? And today, what we got for you is some stretches to help with poor posture. I know we're all gamers, and we got a little bit of a slouch, a little headache, a little lower back soreness. So today, we're gonna try to fix that. The first way I would go about trying to stretch the upper back portion where your neck is and your head to help prevent from headaches or extreme, like Ninja Turtle type stuff, right? All you're going to do is we're going to call it the double chin, right? You're going to tuck your chin. You're going to sit chest up, shoulders back. And you're just gonna take that chin and literally push it back. Make the ugliest face you can, You're gonna see 10, 20 chins. And I'll give you the side profile, just for all you lovely people. Chest up, shoulders back, tuck the chin. Just for a bonus stretch there. If you want to help, like, crack your neck or anything, for some people who don't know how to crack their neck, it's not technically good for you. But take your hand, top of your head, right? Other hand, lower part of the neck, upper part of the back, boom. Both sides, switch the hands, boom. It's a great stretch. Okay, yeah. Number 2, what we're going to talk about is cat-cows, right? For all you people who have the really slouched upper back, and a really good way to fix that, right? You're gonna get on all fours, right? I'm sorry, I'm limited in space here. We having to make do, but I'll turn you side now. You get on all fours, arms up, and when you're flat back, arch it up. Tuck your butt, release, down, up, down. And you repeat that about 15 times in 3 sets, and that'll be good on that. Number 3, we're gonna get into the chest, shoulder area. And basically, you're going to find either a corner of a room, a doorway. So for the sake of this video, what I'm going to use, my trusty old bed here, and this wall, it's going to stand for a doorway right now. One hand here, one hand here. Tuck the chest up, shoulders back, push through. Right? You're going to hold that for about 15 to 20 seconds. Do that about 3 times. Show you once more. Boom. I'll show you once more from the back too. Right? Here. Boom. So the 4th one here is going to have to do with the lower back and the hips. So obviously, when you're sitting in a gaming chair or at an office all day working, playing video games, your lower back is going to start to hurt because your hips are not opening up. They're not fully extended. They're literally at almost a 90-degree angle all day. So we're going to revert back to our stretching video on full body stretches, right? You're going to get on one knee. And you're going to get on the other one, put it up 90 degrees, and literally you're just going to fall forward till you feel a really good tight stretch in this hip flexor area, growing area, and boom, you're just going to lean forward. Hold it 15, 20 seconds. Repeat about 2 to 3 times. You can do both sides. I'll do this side right here. And just lean forward. And you should feel it right through here on the right side of my hip. And for the fifth and final stretch, here's what we're gonna do. This is a really good one for stretching out. Basically, from you see the hunch on the back here, where I'm marking right here, from there until the upper part of the neck. Okay, you're gonna go over to a surface. Preferably, you want it to where you can be in that downward dog position on all fours. But for right now, my bed is going to serve as that purpose. It's going to be a little bit not level, but it's going to work. So what you're going to do, you're going to get on your knees. You're going to find that surface. You're going to take both elbows, right? Both elbows. Boom, boom. You're going to get to a stretching point where it's flat. You're going to tuck your head under. And you're going to hold this position for about 20 seconds and do this for about 3 reps. What this is going to do, it's going to stretch your lats. It's going to straighten up that spine on the upper part of your back to mid, and you're going to feel incredible. You're going to be able to sit up. Boom, you're going to be able to walk into a room and feel dominant. You're going to feel great about yourself. That was fitness video number 3 about posture with Vovin, and hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and yeah, we'll get back to you with another one.